This is the UK launch of the Makino DA300 automation package spec machine. It's the reason why we've launched it at this show is we've now got the machine's been out a few years, but now it's got the 40 pallet pool added to it. So that's a 40 pallet pool on a Capto C8 back end. That makes an already very dynamic, fast machine automation ready now. So you've got 40 pallets, you've got a standard, very comprehensive standard spec on the machine. 20,000 RPM spindle, so you're cutting soft metals, but we have cut titaniums and tougher materials on the machine as well. It's a super dynamic machine, 60 metres a minute. You've got all the terrace wash, coolant wash, shower coolant already incorporated in the machine, dual breakage detection, spindle probe. It also does the Vision BTS, which does a snapshot of the tool as tool changes. So it checks whether the tool's there with the data that's already incorporated in the machine control. With the automation package, you really need the workload and the variety of work. You can stack that up with a lot of different jobs, or you can have a wide variety of jobs. It comes with 118 tools as standard, but you can have more tools, and we can have up to 254 tools on the machine. So if you're doing tough jobs, very intricate work, the machine will handle it, and it'll handle it unattended, lights out machining. That's what it's all about with the automation package. So it's a bit of a game changer really, with now that we've got this automation package on the DA300. This 60-year anniversary of NCMT is tremendous really. We've been representing Makino since 1964, so it's not just a 60-year anniversary for NCMT, it also coincides with a 60-year anniversary representing Makino in the UK. So yeah, it's a special time for us.